So whenever the abnormalities happen, some bugs is taken is executed for some erroneous operations. What you will do is you will just remove the shapefile on which you are doing that operation, and then you will just re-import it or re-add it into the software and continue doing your whatever you are doing with those shapefiles. It will work fine. So this much for this presentation, how to digitize maps with the help of MapWindow software. This MapWindow software is entirely free. You can download it from the website mapwindow.org. So this is the website mapwindow.org. It is completely free, downloadable, and you go to download. Here you have to download this one, MapWindow 5. This thing you have to download, and then accordingly you can work with it. Okay. So this much for today. See you in the next class.